Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video where we're going to be installing another Android head unit on my 2017 Honda Civic. Currently, I have a SiGav head unit installed, which I do love. It's a 10.2-inch touchscreen head unit, and we're going to be replacing it with the Roadanvi 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic car stereo head unit. This one is also a 10.2-inch touchscreen, so it looks exactly the same, and it also includes Apple CarPlay. So for all those that want to upgrade your stock head unit and get Apple CarPlay wirelessly, this is a great option. So here's what comes in the box. We have the head unit itself, and then here we have all the cables to connect everything together. The install is very simple. All you're going to need is a trim removal tool like this one I have here. And to start it off, you're just going to have to remove the trim on the sides like I am doing here. There are 3 clips you'll need to pop out, but don't worry, it's very easy to remove. So once you have it lifted up a little, you can just tug on it and it should pop right out for you. Once you guys have the trim pieces out, you can either use your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to just push up and remove the AC unit so you can access the screws on the back of the screen and remove the old head unit. You'll need to remove 2 screws holding the head unit in right here, and you should be able to just pull it right out after that. Keep in mind, everything looks really complicated with the cables when you're installing, but it is straight plug and play for everything. Since all the cables are labeled, you should know which cable connects with which. Just think of it like building Legos. As you can see, the old head unit looks very similar to the Roadanvi one. Once everything is plugged in, you guys should test the head unit to make sure everything's working properly before putting everything back together. We got the thing working the first try and reassembled the rest of the trim pieces. The head unit has a cool looking home screen with navigation GPS, Bluetooth, and Apple CarPlay, which can be started plugged in and wirelessly. You also have tons of sound settings, which I found to be awesome. And the sound quality has greatly improved from the stock head unit. Overall, the head unit is great, and I definitely recommend you guys get one if you want an upgrade. This one is a 10.2-inch screen, which I previously had on the car after I upgraded, but versus the LX screen, which I had originally on my base model, that thing is tiny versus this one, and I definitely like the new one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think of this head unit in the comment section down below. I will have a link in the description down below for you guys to check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like the video if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new here to stay updated on some epic car content. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, everybody.